Look at this.
Oh, no, she's not either.
Look at this.
You got a big leaf in the middle of your picture. Keep going, close up. You come in my bathroom in the mornings, if you look out my bathroom window, they're right over there, eating and doing stuff. That's why I tell you to throw the food down that way. You can't go out there, Aiden. She's not going to stay. Can you see her from where you are, Cameron?
I was like this and she was like, she's like, what are you doing?
No, not today.
I said this morning.
Put it in the trash.
Face the camera at me. Face the camera at me. Wait.
Thursday, popsicle Thursday.
Not face it at me. Back up a little bit. Is it facing me? Is my face? Yeah.
Today was
Dude,
ice
look,
cream one
guys.
day.
If you guys see that deer, it looks. This is completely awesome. Face the deer. Face the deer.
That's what the dogs were carrying on about a little while ago.
The deer?
Isn't that completely awesome, guys? That is awesome.
There's more than one of them. It's not just one.
I know, is there a whole family?
I think she's the most